Alright, I'm out here at Spooner Road near Donalsonville. We got a couple small updates here. First off, on this signal, the middle Rico LED gate light that had been here has been replaced with an NEG LED gate light, as you can see. You can see it's blank on that side because NEGs are branded only on one side. Still got the one closest to the gate mix, still got the tip one. Those still were the Rico LEDs that were here when I caught this thing malfunctioning back in 2019. But over here we got another change. I mean, I'd show you that side, but again, it's gonna be horribly backlit. But over here we got another change as well. Again, it's a very similar one, it's very minor. On this signal, the one of the gate lights was replaced with, one of the Rico LED gate lights that had been here was replaced with an NEG LED gate light, as you can see. Though this one's the one closest to the gate mech rather than the middle one, which is still a Rico LED, along with the tip one, which is also another Rico LED. But yeah, no other changes here appear to have occurred. Still got the one daylight ball mixed in on that one signal, and everything else is still incandescent. So yeah, I just thought I'd show you all this quick upgrade here, this quick update here. Over and out.